Hello and welcome to the Kunar Cooks. Let's make a very fun and easy recipe for the summer, Litchi Mojito. Start by peeling and deseeding the lychees. Now take a blender jar and add in the deseeded lychees, lemon juice, sugar according to your taste, and a pinch of salt, followed by some fresh mint leaves. Blend it all together, add in some cold water to adjust the consistency if required. Serve it chilled with some ice cubes. I hope you like this summer perfect Litchi Mojito. And if you enjoyed watching this recipe, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.